first graders, let's look at our activities that we did for English. Okay, so you can get yours out and check if you did it correctly. So remember, blue has the digraph ch and yellow has no ch. So desk, that would be no. Beach. Oh, I hear a ch in there. House. No. Chess. I hear a ch. And I can see a ch, right? Okay, crack. No. Chip. I see a ch. Digraph. Card. No. Frog. No. Inch. Ooh, I hear my ch sound. I'll circle that. And I can color it in. Bush. Nope, different digraph. Chimp. Yes. Think. No. Donut. No. Nope. Lunch. Ooh, I see CH. There's my digraph. Dish. No. Chat. I see my digraph right there. Okay. Torch. There's my digraph. Phone. Nope. Different digraph. Cheese. There it is. And shed. Nope. Okay, so that would be the correct, those are the correct answers. Let's go to the back now. Okay, so let me put my pens away, and then let's look at these. So this is sing. I'm looking for s. There's a s, but it doesn't have an ing. Oh, sorry. There's a s. It doesn't have an ing. No. Oh, there's a s, and it has an ing. There's sing. Remember, no capitals because they're it's not a name. Okay, this is a witch, so I'm going to look for what. Oh, there it is. What itch. TCH says ch. Witch. Okay. This is hang. Let's look for huh. Oh, there's hang. Huh. We hang up our clothes to keep them clean and not wrinkled. This is a knife. Now remember, knife has a silent K. So let's look for that silent K. Ooh, there are two. So let's blend this one. The E tickles the I to say its own name. I. Knife. Oh, there it is. That's it. Knife. Okay, this is a knee. Ooh, I hear the silent KN again. So that was down here. Let's see. Don't say the K. E. Oh, there's knee. There's knee. Okay, this is watch. Let's look for what. There's watch. I'm going to watch the TV. Once again, it's not a name. Okay, so this poor little boy itches. Let's find itch. Okay, let's look up here. There it is. There's itch. Okay, I circle it so that I know how to write it, because if I cross it off, I can't tell. Okay, this is a tricky one. This is stack. It doesn't really look like she's stacking. It looks more like she's pushing a chair, but it's stack. So let's find oh, first one, stack. Okay. Stack. Okay, this is a brick. Let's find brick. Okay, we have 2 left. That doesn't say burr. There's my blend. Brick. Circle it. Write brick. And last of all is check, because that's the only one left. This is check, like a check mark. Okay, so these are the correct answers. Go ahead and see if you got the same answers. Okay, bye everyone. See you later.